All right. So good afternoon, everyone. I'm sure you're well ready for your class today. Sitting at your proper place, well in uniform, and all are active and listening, right? Okay. So today we are going to start new chapter, chapter 15, Algebra. Very important, very interesting, and a new chapter for you. Whatever we have studied so far, you have already had an idea. You have already done it in previous classes, in class 3, in class 4. Am I right? We have done almost all the things that we did. Money, time and temperature. Almost you had an idea. But this thing is very new to you. You have not done in your previous classes. So you will find it very interesting. All right. So many students are joining late. So algebra. Okay. One more time I'm saying you, my dear students, 5th Olive and Florence students, today is your first class for new chapter. If you will understand today, you will understand the complete week. Means you will understand each and everything of this chapter. But if you will not concentrate today, you cannot study well or you cannot understand well in the next upcoming classes. So your full attention, your full concentration should be here. Okay? No distractions, nothing. Just listen to me carefully. All right? Okay. Now, what is algebra? What is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics. Which subject you all are studying? You are studying mathematics, right? So, algebra is a branch. Is a branch means is a topic. It comes under the mathematics. It is a branch of mathematics. Okay. That represent the unknown value with letters. Okay. That represent unknown value with letters. What are unknown values? Unknown means that I don't know. Unknown means that I don't know. Unknown. It is unknown to me, right? So, see here on my board, algebra is a branch of mathematics in which unknown numbers are represented by letters. What are letters? A, B, C, D. Are these letters? Yeah. So, you will represent means you will write. Because you don't know the value, so you will write A or B or C. Okay. So unknown numbers are represented by letters. Then there are two terms used in the algebra. First is the variables. Another is the constants. Again, variables, constants. What is variable? Variable means that changes. Variable means that changes. Means the letters that are unknown values are variables. Okay. Unknown value represented by an English letter, for example, A, B, X, Y, etc. are variables. Okay. Constants. What are constants? That do not change. That has a fixed value. All right. A number. If I write 2, 2 will remain 2, right? If I write 50, 50 will remain 50. Yes, if I write 100, 100 will remain 100. So the numbers that has a fixed value are known as constants. Am I clear to you? One more time. Let us study. Let us speak out. You all should speak loudly so that your parents can see, yes, wow, our kids are really learning. It is not like they are just sitting and watching the video. They are just watching here and there. No, you should speak loudly so that others can, your family members can see, yes, they are really in school and they should be happy to see you. Okay. So everybody will speak with me. All right. Everybody will speak out louder. I can see everyone. Arnav Singla, will you speak louder? Yes? Okay. So algebra. What is algebra? Speak out. Algebra is a branch of mathematics. Algebra is a branch of mathematics in which unknown numbers are represented by letters. In which unknown numbers are represented by letters. Very good. What are variables? Variables are again unknown value. Variable is an unknown value represented by an English letter. And now you're not speaking. Variable is an unknown value represented by an English letter. For example, A, B, C, D, anything, etc. Right? X, Y, Z. What is a constant? Constant is a fixed number that has a fixed value. A number having a fixed value. For example, 2, 50, 30, etc. Any number. Yes? Good. Yeah, I can see. Now I can see the energy in you. Very good. You all are speaking. One more time. Let us speak louder. More louder. Yeah? Mama should go, oh, what happened? Why they're so loud? Yeah? Okay? All right. Let us speak. What is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics. Yes? In which unknown numbers are represented by letters. Very good. What are variables? Variables are Ronak Budija is not speaking. Speak out. What are variables? Variables are unknown value represented by an English letter. For example, A, B, X, Y, Z, etc. And constants, what are constants? The fixed number that has a fixed value, cannot change. Okay, for example, 2, 50, 30, etc. are fixed numbers. Yes, am I clear? Ronak Budija, is this TV on in front of you? Are you watching television? Huh? I guess you are watching television. See, again and again, I'm telling you, teacher remain teacher, student remain student. He left, I suppose. Okay. So don't try to be clever. All right. Don't try to be smart. You are here for your learning. Watching TV and attending class will not work. It's a great loss to you, not to me. Right? There are many students who are very serious. They are doing every day homework. They are listening to me. They are doing well. But there are many who are not at all serious, who are not doing practicing, who are not listening to the online classes. So there, it is their loss. It is not my loss. See, Meenakshi ma'am, please note Ronak Budija is entering again now. Once I point out, he is watching television. He left and now he's entering again. So please, again I'm saying, okay, you all are grown-up students. I don't want to scold you. You all are my good kids. You remember your last result of mathematics was excellent. I'm sure I expect to bring the same result again. So for that, you need to be serious and do practice. All right? Okay, let's start again. Algebra is a branch of mathematics in which unknown numbers are represented by letters. Variables that changes, that is not same. A, B, C, D, that do not remain same, and constant that remains same, like fixed numbers 2, 5, 50, etc. Right? Now might be you having some doubt. Now I'm going to clear it with an example. Okay, let's say example. We have just done chapter 9, area and volume, right? We have all studied that what is area of rectangle. Everybody speak out louder. I can see. What is the area of rectangle? Length into, Pravit, speak out. Length into breadth. Correct. Length into breadth. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. Am I right? So here it is a rectangle. Okay. And I'm writing area of rectangle is length into breadth. How do you write length into breadth? Do you write L into B? Do you write L into B? What is L? L is a letter. Yeah. And B is again a letter. So that means L and B are what? Variable or constants? Come on. L and B are variables or constants? Come on, speak up. Aditi is right. Kashish, what is your answer? Kashish. Variables. Answer is L and B are variables because they are represented by English letter and they can change. Why they can change? L can be anything. L can be 20, L can be 50, L can be 30, L can be 300, L can be 100, anything. Similar, B can be anything. But if I write area of rectangle equals to 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 2 cannot change. 4 is 4, 2 is 2. That means here length is 4, fixed value. Length remains 4. and breadth remains 2. So this is the constants. These are the constants. Am I clear? Example, area of rectangle. If we consider area of rectangle, so length into breadth, L into B, both are variables because both can change, right? L can be anything, breadth can be anything. Whereas if I write 4 into 2, 4 is a fixed number, 2 is also a fixed number that cannot change and it's a constant. All right, clear? Variable and constants are clear, I suppose. It's clear? Yeah? Raise your hands, everyone. Show me your thumbs. See, if I get the reactions, no, so I will also teach happily. I will also teach in a more interesting manner. Anna? And if you will feel, if you will show me the poor energy, no response at all, I will also feel like, yeah, leave. No, just teach them the way they are. I will not teach them something good, right? So show your energy, right? Show that, yes, ma'am, you are doing hard work and we are there for you. We are listening, right? Okay. Okay, is this clear, beta? What is algebra? What are the terms used? Variables and constants. An example is clear. Yes? Let's go ahead. Okay, now the next term that comes is what is algebraic expression? Why am I teaching you variables? Why am I teaching you constants? Because it will be used in the algebraic expressions. What is algebraic expression or algebraic term? So algebraic term is a term where you will write variable and constant together. Okay, where you will write variable and constant together. Okay, let's see. So I'm sure you have written this because it's important. So now we're going to study about algebraic expressions or algebraic term. Okay, so what is algebraic expression or algebraic term? Let's study. Algebraic expression. Okay, expression or term. So when you write variable and constant together, that is called as algebraic expression. For example, if I write 5a, okay, if I write a plus 2, if I write a plus 2, what is a, everyone? It's a variable, very good. And what is 2? It's a constant. Manoj, you are sleeping? Yeah? He's saying yes, ma'am. Okay, be active. So a plus 2. A is a variable and 2 is a constant. So this term, this expression is an algebraic expression. Why? Because there is a letter that is a variable and there is a number that is a constant. Clear? Yeah? So only a plus 2 is only the algebraic expression. Let's write more. Yeah? Can I write 5a plus 2? Is this also algebraic expression? Yes, it is also. Why? Because again, there is a variable and there is a number. Both things are there. Yeah. What is 5a means? 5a means 5 times a. What is 5a means? 5 times a means you are multiplying something with 5. Whatever a is there, you are multiplying by 5. For example, if a is 2, 5a means 5 into 2, 10. If a is 1, 5a means 5 into 1, 1. Clear? Yes, algebraic terms are clear. If I write variable and constant together, that is called as algebraic expression. Okay? Yes? All right. Now, in first exercise 15.1, there are two type of questions. First type, you need to write the algebraic expression. Okay? You will be given in English. You will be given in words. And you have to convert into an algebraic expression. And in second type, you will do opposite manner. Means algebraic expressions already given, you have to write in words. Yes, let's start doing. Very interesting. Huh? It will be more clear when you will start. Okay, so let's start doing exercise 15.1. 15.1. So let's start with a very active child first. Okay. All right. Aditi, unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Aditi, is this clear? Whatever I have taught you is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you tell me what is algebra and what are variables and constants?
Ma'am, variables are variables are variables are represented by English letter, for example, A, B, C, D, etc. And constant are represented by constant are the fixed constant are the number which has fixed value. For example, 2, 3, 4, etc.
Excellent, Aditi. Okay, Aditi, very good. Now, Aditi, can you read out the first question, beta? A part, 15.1 A part.
Yes, ma'am. Write the algebraic expression for each of the following.
Following. It's not following, it's following. Okay.
Following.
It's algebraic. All right. Okay. So, what is written? X added to 17. All right. X added to
17.
X added to 17. We have to write in algebraic expression. So what we will write instead of X added to 17? What is added means?
Ma'am, plus addition.
So what will be the algebraic expression? Come on, everybody, write down. You know the answer. I just see you writing. I should not see you watching only. I just see you using your pen, using your notebook. Everyone, quick. Yes.
Ma'am, 17x.
17x? No, beta. It's x added to 17. It means x added means plus and 17. That's it. Yeah? Got it, Aditi? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good. Next, Mayank. Mayank Quatra, 5th olive.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Next question, Mayank, quickly.
4 subtracted from y.
4 subtracted from y. Mayank, what do you mean by from? From means?
Ma'am, y minus 4.
Very good. From means the second number will come first. Now, you do like this, na?
Yes, ma'am.
100 subtracted from 500. That means 500 minus 100. Am I right?
400. Yes, ma'am.
It will be y minus 4. Good. Good, Mayank. Mute yourself. Ashish, 5th Florence.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ashish, very quickly, next tell me.
9 taken away from z, z minus 9.
Very good. Taken away also means? Taken away also means?
Subtraction.
Subtraction, minus. So z, 9 taken away from z means z minus 9. Right? Very good. Good. Next child. Manvika, unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Manvika, quickly, next question.
Ma'am, 7 times a.
7 times a. Answer is?
Ma'am, 7 into a.
Into a means you write as 7a, okay? We don't write 7 multiply, we don't write, okay? 7 multiply, we write 7a. Very good, Manvika. So times means multiply. Times means multiply, okay? Good. Next child, you are doing very well. That means you are getting. Dhyan, unmute yourself. Everybody is answering. Wow. Good afternoon, Dhyan. Next question.
Subtracted from twice of y.
Correct. N subtracted from twice of y. So what will come?
Ma'am, y minus n.
See again. N subtracted from twice of y. Dhyan.
Double y minus n.
Twice of y means 2y.
2
Twice of y means 2y. Okay. And subtracted from which? Minus n.
Minus
Clear?
n.
Huh? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
N subtracted from twice of y means twice means 2y and subtracted minus n. I am
Yes.
pointing out the friends whose cameras are off. For example, Sarthak, Aksh Kajal, Navya Kamboj, and Levish. So you will be out in from my class. If you don't want to study, if you want to put your camera off, so don't come into the class. No, that's easier for you. Because once you will be removed, your parents will be called, you will get a message, negative message on the app. So that is really difficult. Better to be absent. Correct, Sarthak? Am I right, Sarthak? Now everybody's cameras are on. So again, if I saw, same thing. Two things will happen to you. You will be removed also. From in app also, you will get a message and your parents also will be called. So be careful. Okay, Bhavya Verma, fifth olive, unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Bhavya. Quickly, next question, sixth question.
6 divided by P.
6 divided by, how will you write
P.
this? What is the algebraic expression for this?
Ma'am, 6 division sign by Ma'am, 6 division sign by P.
6 divided by P. So divide, you don't write divide like this. Okay? How do you write? You write that as a fraction. Okay?
Okay,
Please
ma'am.
note down this. Division is written as a fraction, not as a operator. Okay? Good. Good, Bhavya. Next child. So after Bhavya, Akshya. Unmute yourself. Akshya, seventh question.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Seventh question, Akshya.
Yes, ma'am. 1/3 of C.
1/3 of C. So what will be the answer?
Ma'am, 1/3 sign and then C. Multiply C.
1/3 means, again it is a fraction. 1
Yes,
upon 3. Of means multiply C. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this right? So you
Ma'am,
can also write C upon 3 also.
Yes,
C
ma'am.
upon 3 also.
Ma'am, first
Okay?
I thought it was difficult, but now after solving it seems to be easy.
Yeah, it's very easy.
Yeah.
Good, Akshay. Next, Sirath, unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Sirath. Next question.
Ma'am, it will be 5B plus
First,
7M.
tell the question. 5 times B added to
5 times B added to 7 times M.
7 times
M.
M. Okay, Sirath, tell the answer.
Ma'am, 5B plus 7M.
Very good. Plus 7M. You did it yourself or somebody is helping?
Ma'am, I did it myself.
Very good, Sirath. Excellent. Navya, no washroom, please. Okay,
Ma'am,
Sirath,
can I
good.
mute?
Mute yourself. Vaishnavi, next question to you.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Very quickly, ninth question.
Twice of Z subtracted from 20.
Very good. So what will come? Twice of
2Z.
Z. Twice of Z subtracted from
20.
20. So what will be the answer?
2Z minus 20.
From is there, no? So 20 will come first.
20 minus 2Z.
Very good. 20 minus 2Z. Excellent. Very good.
Thank you.
Next. I'm doing serial wise today. Aditri, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aditri. Next question.
15 less than a quotient of x divided by 3.
So can you solve this question? It is somewhat different. 15 less than quotient of x divided by 3. Give a try. Aditri, give a try. writing question till the time you try. 15 less than 15 less than the quotient of x divided by 3. Quotient of x divided by 3. Aditri, you muted yourself?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So come on, beta. Try. No problem if it is wrong. No problem. It is not a test. Give a try. First of all, what is 15 less than? 15 less than means minus 15, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So can I write minus 15 first?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Now what is quotient of x divided by 3? What is quotient of x?
X divided by 3.
Quotient of x means
Ma'am.
x only. X only. Quotient of x
Yes,
means
ma'am.
x only. And divided by 3 means by 3. Easy?
Yes, ma'am.
We understood? Easier, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So we have done A part. Now let's try the B part. Mute yourself, Aditri. Now B part is opposite to the first part. Okay? Aksh Kajal. Bhavya 5th Florence. Bhavya 5th Florence, unmute yourself. So opposite
Good
means
afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon. Now what this is given to you and you have to write in words. Yeah, Bhavya? You have to
Ma'am,
write the expression in the words. So first, B part first, speak the question and give the answer.
question B. Identify the operation in forming each of the following expression. Write them in words.
Flowing. Please correct everyone. It's not flowing, it's following. All right? It's following. Yes. What is the first answer, Bhavya?
Ma'am, 7th time of Q.
It's 7q plus 1. 7q is 7 times q. So it's 7 times q. What is plus?
Added 1.
Very good. Added to 1. Okay? Added to 1. Easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Thanks,
Okay,
ma'am.
Ashika. Okay, Ashika, don't show me. Keep on doing with me. Aksh Kajal next. Aksh Kajal.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Next question. Manan
Next.
Chahal, camera is off. Meenakshi ma'am, please note Manan Chahal, 5th Florence, camera is off. So parent call will go and app message also will go. All right, Manan, no need to turn it on now. No need. Keep it off. Yes, Aksh. Next question.
Second is 9 minus 2a.
9 minus 2a. Very easy. What you will do? What you will write?
2 times a subtracted from 9.
Subtracted from 9.
Yes, ma'am.
If you are writing from, that means first number should come last, है ना? So,
Yes, ma'am.
write 2 times a. 2 times a subtracted from
9.
9. Good. Please note, if you will write 9 subtracted from 2 times a, so it will be 2a minus 9 and your answer will be wrong. Okay? Good, Aksh. Next child. After Aksh, Bhupinder. Unmute yourself.
Good afternoon,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Bhupinder. Next question quickly. 15p. Very easy. What will come?
15
15p.
times
Very good. Answer is 15 times
P.
p. Very good, Bhupinder. Bhupinder, you are studying properly at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yash Kamboj.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Yash. Next question.
3a plus 2 plus 4b.
3a plus 2 plus 4b. Very easy, Yash. How you will write?
3 times a added to 2 added to 4 times b.
Very good. 3 times a added to 2 added to
4 times B.
B. Very good. 4 times B. Good. Very good, Yash. Next. Sarthak with camera off. Unmute yourself first. Sarthak Goyal, unmute yourself fast. In a second.
Good morning, ma'am.
Why camera was off?
Nothing, ma'am.
Beta, nothing will not work. You are in a class, Sarthak. If you want to attend it nicely. Otherwise, don't come to my class.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, you will not touch the camera next time.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell the next question. Which question we are doing, Sarthak?
3A plus 2 plus 4B.
See, we are putting camera off and you don't know even which question is going on. We have already done.
11 plus 6. X.
Yeah, 11 plus 6x. So
6x.
how will you write this? What will be your answer? Come on. See, it's a clear picture. Everybody can clearly see. If you are putting a camera off, no, in between, that means you are not understanding the things because you are doing something else and the things will be missed. So very poor to Sarthak. And mute yourself. I don't have this much time to waste on you. So next child, let us start with
Ma'am,
Arika. Arika, unmute yourself. Mute yourself, Sarthak. Mute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Arika, quickly tell the answer. I know you know.
11 times added to 6x.
See again, Arika. 11. Why 11 times, beta? It is 11 only. So 11 added to 6 times x. Okay. 11 added to 6 times x. Because 11 is only 11, na? So 11 is 11. So 11 added to
6x.
6 times x. 6x means multiply, na? So multiply, you write times. Okay, Arika?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you,
good. Next child after Arika. Okay, let us take Vardhan. Unmute yourself, Vardhan.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Vardhan. Wait, tell me next question fast.
Mn plus 2n plus 16.
So what will be the answer?
Mn added to 2 times n added to 16.
Very good. Mn you will not write Vardhan, you will write m times n added to 2 times n added to 16. Okay? Can you repeat once more? Can you repeat Vardhan?
M times n added to 2 times n added to 16.
Very good. Excellent.
Thank you,
Next. Mute yourself. Today, Vardhan, your camera was all on in whole lecture. It was on. So good. Okay. Next, Yashika, unmute yourself. Yes,
Good
Yashika.
afternoon, ma'am.
Next question quickly, Yashika.
Ma'am, this one I'm not understanding.
Why? 1 upon 2 means we have done now. Divide 1 upon 2 means 1 upon
Ma'am,
2
half y.
not half. 1. What? Okay, half also you can write. Okay. Half times y. How can you write? Half times y. Right? Or you can write 2 divided by y. That is also correct. Are you getting, Yashika? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, is this clear now, beta? There is no confusion now. You can write half of y half of y. This also is done. Can be answered half of y, or you can say half times y. Okay, clear?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself back. Okay, so we have done this exercise. You all mute yourself, Yashika, quickly. Yes. So we have done this exercise, A and B part both. I'm sure you have well understood. Today was the first class of algebra and you well understood and you have to revise. Okay, come ready for the next class. If you will forget these concepts, next exercise you cannot learn. So make sure you should revise and come back tomorrow. Okay. And again, I'm telling you, complete your notebooks on time. Exams are coming soon. I'm sure you know the syllabus. The syllabus are 5 chapters. Chapter 11, time and temperature. Chapter 12, money. Chapter 9, area and volume. Chapter 15, algebra. And one more chapter, data handling. So by this week, we are going to finish our syllabus. And then we will have revisions, tests, worksheets. And that's it. Okay. So before that, you have